Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off flashlight notifications on Android. So you have to open the settings or call log. So you have to open the call log and go to two dots on the top right corner settings, and you have to scroll down, or you can see the option is flash on call. So you will have to just turn the button on of the flash in call. So when the call is comes, your flashlight will be blink with vibration on the Android device. So this is how to allow flash. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.